Up YouTube, it's your boy Sweat. We back with another POV ski. And to be honest, y'all, I really don't got nothing really planned today. But I do gotta go drop off a gift for my mans at work, cause I told him I was gonna get him a gift for his birthday, which I did. Y'all see, man, we got that boy some Chipotle. I don't even know if y'all can see, but y'all should be able to. But we got that man a Chipotle gift card, cause I can't have my mans out here eating McDonald's and Taco Bell all the time, bro. He gotta switch it up. But now we about to get on the highway, head over there. So, hey man, y'all already know the deal when you come here. Sit down, like the video, subscribe if you're new. It's your boy Sweat. We in the big B58, and there's nothing more to be said than that. Ooh, boy, nobody coming, right? All right, cool. Stop. What are you doing? You're a dumbass. To the max. To the max. Fucking idiot. Just driving through the parking lot, bro. Look where you going, dumbass. Oh man, feels good to be out, you know, even though it's a rainy day. It is sadly a rainy day, you know, can't really do nothing about that. Just glad to be out in the whip. Your boy is going to the gym too, so I gotta drop this gift off. Your boy's going to the gym, y'all. I told y'all, we fit all 2026. We working out, eating better, all of that. And I think it was the POV, the last POV y'all seen from me, that we talked about, you know, the push-up challenge, the 5 push-ups or more if you know you could do it. So y'all let me know if y'all participating in that. If not, it's okay. I'm gonna get you one day. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna get you. Got a good turbo spool, bro, for this stock ass turbo. I'll be honest, it's kind of crazy. Oh, look at the little Dodge Charger getting on the highway. That's cute. That's cute. That thing is cute. highway gotta be my most favorite place to be. I just wish the highways here were wider, bruh. Like these highways up here, they be like 3 and 4 lanes, bro. We be like 5 or 6. Like the 3 lane is smooth on certain parts of the highway here, but other parts is like, bro, it's just too much damn traffic. I'm not gonna lie. That shit be aggravating. Since I got it back are a little more aggressive. Just a tad, just a tad. See, the little Charger, no, it can't do nothing because it's wet outside. That's what I like. I can assert dominance. Rain, sleet, snow, hail, dry, nah, I'm cool. It's all-wheel drive, so I'm serious. I just damn semi-truck going so damn slow. Everybody else. Now I'm stuck between 2 of these shits. I don't know why everybody driving so damn slow. Oh yeah, y'all. I just, so, I don't know if the, oh hell, but I don't know if the POV is gonna come out just because I never really finished the clip for it. But basically, raccoon hit my car, and I just got the car back Thursday. It is now Monday of the next week. But when I got the car back, my air intake was not on the car. The people who fixed it, they said when I dropped it off it wasn't in there and all this rah-da-da-da-da. But they ordered me a new one. I put it on the car Saturday, so the car's running good. But we do have a new intake filter in. Damn! That motherfucker sound like a gunshot. See a tough ass Porsche. You got to love it. You got to love it. You got to love the V58. Today for real. I'm pretty sure I passed the cop, but yeah, I ain't even on no bullshit. I'm almost to my exit to drop this gift card off anyway. Now we're just gonna jump our ass over here. What's happening? What's happening? My exit is, that Porsche is hard. That turbo is tough. What is this? This is a 5 Series? What is it? Shit look tough. Oh, it's a 530. Damn, bro. Why is there so much traffic? What happening? What happening? Your boy did not do traffic. Oh, well, it's an easy way to tell what's happening. Hit that. Oh, there's some object in the road. That's why. I'm just gonna jump in front of this white car because they ain't trying to move. Fork it. Y'all, I'm really still testing out this media mod I got too for this GoPro. And so far from some of the audio I've tested, it doesn't sound bad, but I gotta keep playing with it, seeing everything I can get out of it. Bro, we driving slow in the road for a little ass box. Come on now. Let's make it make sense. Oh man. Alright, y'all. I'll just pick y'all back up once I drop off the gift and get back in the car. Alright, y'all, we back. Got my man's his gift. He said he gonna go and get him some Chipotle today. So I did my part, man. W man's for that one. Let's see how this media mod works with the wind. Not terrible. Well, I don't know because I can't hear it, but that wind just now wasn't terrible. Buddy got his trailer all the way over here, non-driving ass. Damn, that's tough. Dang, bro, I'm always getting stuck at a light when I pull out this damn GoPro for y'all. This is crazy. Like, how do I get hit with lights in AI generated scenarios, bro? Oh, luckily it just turned green. Yo, let me just tell y'all something, because I just replied to like the dumbest comment ever. But basically, y'all know how internet trolls are. The guy saw like a piece of the building I stay in for school, and he said I live in a crap house with a nice car. But it's like, bro, that's not my house. That's not like my actual house. That's where I'm staying for school, buddy. But the part that made it funny to me was, he said, all right then, show me what your actual house looks like. Why would I have to prove to you that that's not my actual house? You dumbass. I mean, realistically, bro, you could believe me or you don't have to. I mean, I know where my house is. I know what my house looks like. Matter of fact, there's actually a video on this channel of what my actual house looks like. I don't know if you can see the full house, but you can get a good glimpse of part of the house. And at that house is a lot of cars. We have a lot of cars. But hey, man, I like letting people, hey, slow your dumb ass down. Damn, what the fuck you doing? But yeah, man, internet trolls are hilarious. You know, when I first ever saw his comment, I just kind of laughed, because it's just like, bro, why are you so worried about me? Like, do you have the M340, the 2025 M340 that I pay monthly on? Do you have this car? Because I don't think you do. I mean, but hey, I digress. I mean, you know, people just want to talk, bro. That's all it is. But yeah, man, once again, y'all, we stuck at a damn red light per usual. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up once we get through this red light. All right, y'all, through that red light. But this Tacoma in front of me got a nice ass blue. I like this. The blue is clean. Damn. Man, I wish you would turn though. Hey, bro, I'm trying to get to the gym, gang. Turn. Please. Stop being scary. Oh yeah, come on. We through there. Take me through there. Take me through there. Why are you being such a stickler, sir? Just try. It's not that hard. Was that my brakes or somebody else? Damn. Oh, I got a perfect spot too. Oh yeah, that's lube. Hey, cause I'm definitely getting this spot. Ain't nobody parking near me. I'm sorry. Hell no. And she on her phone. Phone dead in her hand, boy. Can't put it down for 2 seconds. Sheesh. Shit sad as hell, man. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna do it for today's POV ski. Fuck she staring at. Put your phone down too, bitch. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's POV. We're back in the B58 after our unfortunate incident with the raccoon. But yeah, man, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Especially comment if you're new. You know what I'm saying? Let your boy know you're here. But hey man, I really do appreciate y'all. We still on the grind for 3K subs. Remember, the goal for the year was 5K. So by December 31st, or if we even hit it before, I'll be even happier. But by December 31st of 2026, I want to be at 5K subs. So, you know what I'm saying? I know that's on me, but it's partially on y'all too. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all keep rocking out with your boy. We almost there. But like I said, like the video, subscribe. It's your boy Sweat. We out.